Would you like to sell your products and services online, no matter if online products, coachings or trainings, or online and offline events? And would you like to automate everything from the beginning till the end, from advertisement and traffic to your page, to purchase and payment collection, to invoicing, granting access to your product, and all the administrative tasks? And maybe you are floating in seventh heaven right now because you already found the right software. But now the real implementation starts, and there are so many different functionalities in the software. Shall I pick A, B, or C? This can cause a lot of confusion and frustration. But help is on the way. No matter whether content structure, consulting, design or integrations, we are here to help you. Now, some of you may ask themselves, how will such a collaboration look like? And will this really work out? Because some of you may have had some bad experiences already with service providers. Let's listen to real customers reporting about their personal experiences.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Pickhan. I'm the co-founder and senior managing partner of LegacyBuilders Global. And I'm here today to share with you my experience with Elopage and with Mona Tenjo and how we implement the offline business. We had mainly an offline business only in 2 weeks to an online business. That was such an amazing experience, and I don't want to hide it. What we did is basically that we had already this idea how we can implement our offline strategy into an online strategy, but we really had problems to implement that in our already current system we already using. And then we found Elopage, and it was so easy to use. It was easy to implement our products there and all the things like that. But it's not even all. Like, as you know, as an entrepreneur, you have to work on your business, not in your business. And to write the processes and all the things in detail, this can be really challenging. And this is why I love Mona, and I'm super happy that we have her on our side. She really understands to break down the processes, to implement the processes. And she has an overview and asks really, really good questions that you think deep in your business and think even further instead of just in the next 1 or 2 weeks or next 1 or 2 months. So with that, we have a round package. As I said, in only 2 weeks, we had our first product online. It works amazing. Clients can sign up for the online program. We have all in our CRM program. Everything is tagged. Everything is connected. And on top of that, we have already 24 different other products on our platform ready for our members, for our investors, for our clients to use. And it's really easy to handle and an easy process. So for you, check this out, check our online shop out, that you have an idea about the design and what you can do and how easy it is to go through. Have fun, and if there are any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
To give you an impression of how the system looks like that we have set up, you can see here the shop page of LegacyBuilders Global, with a call to action to book a free call, some information on the business, products clustered in different categories, popular products, client voices, and some core values. If we look at the landing page for a specific product, you can see here the LegacyBuilders Platinum Investors Club, which is a specific membership. So here you can see information, you can see some backup information, who's the club for, and then of course a process and what the clients get. And of course you can click Buy Now to purchase, which will guide you to the payment page where you can see a summary, the payment options, and of course the details on entering your payments. And when you enter the payments, you will get an email confirmation with the access. And finally, I also have prepared a funnel for you. So this here is a funnel in case somebody purchases a product, they will receive an additional offer. In this case, the offer is twofold. On the one hand, the people get a free limited access to a training, which they will get anyway. On top, they can purchase in this step the full version of that training for a discount. And the customer can decide if he wants to have it or not. So this is just a preview here. If the customer decides to purchase, they will get a thank you page displayed where they can see a thank you and some instructions. And if they don't purchase this additional product, they can be guided to a different product, in this case a downsell, which is in our example an ebook for €7. And again, the customer can decide if he wants to have it or not. In both cases, they will get a thank you message, and the data will be transferred back to the respective customer management system. This is what we have created for LegacyBuilders Global. If you are interested in their products, feel free to check out the links below the video with the respective codes that we provide. You will get a very special offer, which is very discounted for one of their premium programs as a thank you for watching this case study. If you have an own project that you want to implement, or if you have an idea you want to discuss with us, please feel free to reach out to me via the respective information that we provide to you with this video. And we are looking forward to seeing you hopefully in one of your projects. Thank you very much for your attention.